Welcome back, guys, to this kind of the second lesson in this series, I guess, of converting between fractions, decimal, and percentages. In today's lesson, we're going to look at percentages to fractions. Let's just jump straight in. So let's just jump straight into this. So when converting percentages to decimal, we're going to divide our percentage by 100. So 65% can be written as 65 divided by 100. Now, remembering that when we're talking about a number, that there's a decimal point at the end of every number if it's not shown. So if it's 0.6, obviously the decimal point has been shown. But in this case, there's no decimal point written, so we can write this as 65. Okay. Now, when dividing by 100, we're going to move the decimal point 2 places to the left. So 1, 2 goes here. And so what we end up with is 0.65. So 65% is the same as 0.65. Let's just do some examples. So we're just looking at 9%. So remembering that we're going to divide that by 100, which means we're moving that decimal point 2 places to the left. 1, 2. Now, obviously, there's no number here for us to jump, so it's like we put a 0 here, and we move our decimal point to here, and we end up with 0.09, so 0.09. 75%, so 75 divided by 100, again, 1, 2, and what we end up with is 0.75. So 75% is 0.75. Now, when we're looking at percentages, a percentage is out of 100. So to make up a 100%, like to have a whole, it's 100%. When we're talking about decimals, to make up a whole, we're talking about having 1. So we can see 75% is 0.75. 100% would be 1. So I want you to pause it now and do the last 2 on your own and then come back. So hopefully you went 60.0. 1, 2 means we get 0.6, and 5%, remember I'm going to move it 2 places, 1, 2, like so, and we end up with 0.05. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember, if you have any questions, please make sure you ask. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next lesson.